In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Bing as homepage. We'll do this using Google Chrome's Home button, so that whenever you click the little house icon, it takes you straight to Bing. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Control Center. On the left, click Appearance. The Appearance section is where you control what you see around the address bar, including whether the Home button is visible. Find the option labeled Show Home Button and switch it on. The moment you enable it, you'll notice a small house icon appear to the left of the address bar. That's your shortcut to your chosen homepage. Right below that toggle, choose Enter Custom Web Address. In the box that appears, type https www.bing.com. Be sure to include the full address with HTTPS so Chrome knows exactly where to go. A quick tip: copy and paste the URL if you want to avoid typos, and double-check there are no extra spaces before or after the link. When you're done, click Done if you see that button, or simply press Enter. Chrome will save this setting. Now let's test it. Click the Home icon, the little house next to the address bar. Your current tab should immediately load Bing. If it does, you're all set. From now on, anytime you're browsing and want to jump straight to Bing, just hit that Home button. A few helpful notes for clarity. This change sets the page that opens when you click the Home button. It's different from your startup pages or the New Tab page. If you open a brand new tab and still see Chrome's default New Tab layout, that's normal. The Home button is your dedicated shortcut to Bing. Also, if you don't spot the Appearance section right away, use the search box at the top of Settings and type Home button to get there quickly. If the Home icon doesn't appear immediately after you turn it on, close and reopen Chrome to refresh the toolbar. And if the page doesn't load, recheck the URL for any mistakes. To recap, open Chrome, go to Settings, head to Appearance, turn on Show Home button, select Enter Custom Web Address, type https www.bing.com, and confirm. Click the Home icon and you're on Bing in a single click. That's all it takes.